Hey everybody, and welcome to day number 11 of the New England Farmhouse renovation. We took a pause so that we could start the Newton mudroom project this week, and we're through our first week of demo over there, so now we're back at the farmhouse and we're picking it up right where we left off, and that was with the leveling of the subfloor here in the dining room. Well, if you recall, we had also had an ice dam that formed which caused flooding inside the walls. So that required us to pull out some insulation and break into the soffit from the master bedroom upstairs. So we dried that out and we put in a seal from the inside of the soffit, and I'm very happy to report that we had some more weather and an ice dam form, but no flooding inside the walls. So that patch is holding firm, and that gave us the confidence today to put the insulation back in and put up all the drywall on the exterior wall here in the dining room. So now we have a complete envelope that's been sealed on the exterior of the wall, new insulation, new drywall, and that has cut down on draftiness here tremendously. The furnace isn't working so hard. We're no longer worried about frozen pipes, so we're gathering momentum here as we're slowly putting the house back together. We've got a bunch of things on our punch list that we've got to get through before we can get over here and we can start building this wall. So each day it's just a number of man hours that we're putting on, and we're going to keep detailing them for you so that you can see what goes into a project of this caliber. Well, as we bounce them back and forth between the Newton mudroom and the New England Farmhouse, I've created two playlists here so that you can subscribe and you can watch them both, or you can just watch whichever one you like. I would hope that if you are enjoying these videos, you could leave me a like, and you could certainly subscribe to my channel. That goes a long way in telling me what you guys are digging and what you're not. Also, please leave a comment if you got a question about something or even a suggestion. I like to read them all, and it's a big help for me. So that's it. End of day number 11 here at the New England Farmhouse. Thanks for checking it out, and we'll check back in with you tomorrow.